Hi guys, hi beautiful Nono Obi, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi, and in today's video actually is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we bring out stories on the internet that are controversial and we'll dissect it. Okay, in today's video we're talking not other than Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo. This is a popular Nigerian pastor. Okay, he said in one of his sermons that if you're young, don't rush to have kids immediately after marriage, because children has their own problem. Just watch the video and we'll talk about it.
See, if you marry young, enjoy yourself. Don't rush to have children. Once you have children, your life will never. I tell you now. If you are young, or if you marry and you are still young, you are under 30s or very mid, at the brink of 30 or something, 31. If you still, as a man, if you still have the time, please know yourself. All these women are just married and 9 months after the kingdom come. It shakes many marriages because you never know your wife, not know your husband. Bikin don't come. Bikin no they send anybody home. It will pull both of you. Wife, it will pull your body, pull your attention. Husband, pull your money. It go pull una. For now, go hit on yourself. Say, you didn't have the child. See this boy, useless. Una go begin fight. That they begin they pull una. They stress una. Night and I go sleep now. Now one sleep. Now you gonna say una they sleep and they awake. Yeah. You go wake una say una they sleep. Una they wake up everybody. Nobody they sleep yet. And you have work the next morning. You doesn't care. Wake up everybody. I say what's you? I don't know. Yeah, but I wake up first. You breastfeed, clean everything. You wake up say okay now. I don't wake una. And for him, after that wake una, he can't sleep. Say hey. You can't sleep. But you don't wake up now, your eye don't clear. You can't sleep again. And you have to go to work in the morning. So that man is stressed. The woman too is stressed. She just not sleeping. Before you know, 12 of them go begin fight.
So welcome back, guys. You guys have listened to what he said. So many people on the notion that you're a pastor, you're not supposed to be telling your people such thing. You're not supposed to be discouraging your people, those who want to get married and start making child. Why would you be married and you still be holding on to have a child? What if when you're ready to have a child, God is no longer ready to give you a child? That is a bad advice coming from a pastor. And people have their different opinion. Somebody said, I always said this: wait until a year or two before conceiving. It will allow you to live together, plan and bond before bringing kids in. Best decision I ever made. Those 18 months before I conceived allowed us to iron out our differences, understand each other, love and bond and date. Everything was amazing. Somebody said, marry early, have children early, so that by 36 years you are done having children, then you enjoy. Okay, people with their different opinion. Okay, somebody say, don't misunderstand this man. I have seen some dull head commenting funny here. Read to understand. He's making sense. He is not saying you shouldn't have kids after marriage. All he's saying is that both parties should be psychologically, mentally, emotionally, financially prepared before having baby or babies. This is what this pastor was trying to say. But trust me, the internet wahala people, those who don't read to understand, those who don't listen to understand, they carry the matter for their head. When I saw this video, actually, the first thing that went to my mind is this pastor is trying to relate that you should know yourself as couples first before planning kids, because kids has their own wahala. Once you start giving birth to one, you still have a little chance. When you start giving birth to 2, 3, like you don't have that space again till they grow up a little bit. Till they grow up to the point that you can say, go to your room, go to the parlor and stay. I want to watch TV. Go, I have some things to discuss with your mom. Till they get to that stage, it's difficult to, I don't know, but that's what the pastor is trying to say. But some people actually took that message very wrong, and that is very bad. Okay, see, in my own understanding, when you marry very early, See, if you can give it that 2 years, it's not bad. But I won't say if you marry at older age, you should start giving 1 to 2 years before conceiving. Him himself will not even advise you that at all, because he knows age is no longer on your side. So this message, we know who they are passing it to, and we understand what it means. You should be emotionally, psychologically, mentally, financially ready before you bring a child into this world, because it takes a lot. Some people used to think, just marry a born child. Born child now, you don't have the time anymore. Do you know, I can do everything for my child, my husband, then at the end of the day, I'm tired. I don't even do for myself, because I'm like, it's myself. I can pass. And I don't do it. But the ones for your kids and your husband, you try to do it, even though you're tired. And as soon as you're done with your child and your husband, you're like, me, myself, and I will deal with that. Not today. So people actually took this wrong message very wrong. Even popular Nigerian actress, a lady I've forgotten, she said, "Pastor, why are you passing bad advice to people?" See, it's not by old age with the reason. Someone that is smaller can even have a more than you. Like that actress that spoke. She's in her 50s, but I have sense more than her. Because as soon as I listened to that pastor, I knew he was talking about psychological, mentally, financially, physically, availability, ready. So I don't know the woman that 50 something years, she listened to the video. I don't know what she deduced from the video that she wrote that shit she wrote. She said, confused pastor. Children that brings happiness to the family. You are now changing it that children bring fight to family. This man don't get sense. We will see how the men fight will be like when the couples are ready, maybe after 5 years of their enjoyment in marriage. Then the children are not coming. To get pregnant, about war. Anyway, I pity the gullible people that listens to this kind of business men of God. People are not scared. The way they talk down on people, it's very bad. This pastor never insulted you, but every of your word speaks insult. So guys, what do you guys think about this in the comment section? Write it down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't given it yet. When you do that, you will recommend it to a wider range of people for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.